In this section, we will cover the suggested purging procedure for conducting a resin or color change in an injection molding machine with a hot runner mold in the closed position. But first, it is important that you select the appropriate grade of Dynapurge for your specific needs. If you haven't done so already, please consult your Dynapurge representative to determine which grade is best for your purging process. Also, before performing any purging procedure, it is the machine operator's responsibility to be aware of their company's safety policy, to wear the appropriate personal protective equipment, and to make sure that only authorized personnel are in the area. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Procedure for barrel and screw. Maintain temperature and RPM settings for resident resin. Retract machine carriage from mold, leaving ample room for purge to exit nozzle. Disconnect or shut off auxiliary feeding equipment and thoroughly clean the hopper. Empty barrel and starve the screw of the resident resin. Introduce Dynapurge, 1 to 2 times barrel capacity, into empty hopper or side port. Note, actual amount needed depends on machine conditions. Set machine shot size between 50% and maximum allowable setting. Purge until the compound flushed out of the machine is clean and free of contamination. Thoroughly clean machine nozzle and sprue bushing to remove any contamination. Caution: wear the appropriate personal protective equipment. Step 2. Procedure for hot runner system. Move machine carriage forward to make contact with mold sprue bushing. Set shot to recommended part size and begin making parts. Note, if necessary, make adjustments to achieve a complete part. Continue to make parts with Dynapurge until parts are clean and free of contamination. Retract machine carriage from mold, leaving ample room for purge to exit nozzle. Thoroughly clean the hopper and adjust temperature settings for your next production resin. Using your next production resin, flush out the remaining Dynapurge. Thoroughly clean machine nozzle and sprue bushing to remove any contamination. Caution: wear the appropriate personal protective equipment. Move machine carriage forward to make contact with mold sprue bushing. Continue making parts with production resin, flushing out the remaining Dynapurge. Check gates in mold for any blockage or drool and start production run. If you have other operators responsible for purging, we encourage you to let them know about our training video as well. We also invite you to take advantage of additional training resources located in the Performance Tips section of our site. To ensure excellent purging results, always remember to establish comprehensive purging procedures, properly train personnel, monitor the results for consistency, and contact your Dynapurge representative when in need of additional technical assistance. Thank you again for your trust in using our Dynapurge products and services. We'll continue to work hard to earn your business.